When it comes to manufacturing, China is a powerhouse. It offers competitive pricing and a vast production capacity, but with great scale can come quality control challenges. Ensuring your products meet your standards requires a proactive approach to quality control. Quality control is not just about catching defects, it's about preventing them. Implementing robust quality control measures is essential for any business sourcing products from China. This is especially true for molded products, where even slight variations can lead to significant issues. Ignoring quality control can have serious consequences. Defective products can lead to customer complaints, product recalls, and damage to your brand reputation. By focusing on quality control from the start, you protect your business and your customers. You also build a stronger foundation for success in the Chinese market. China's manufacturing strength lies in its ability to produce goods at an incredible scale. However, high production volumes can sometimes lead to a dip in quality. This is where a keen understanding of potential pitfalls becomes crucial. One common issue is inconsistency. When factories ramp up production, maintaining uniform quality across every single unit can be difficult. Slight variations in materials, processes, or even worker fatigue can introduce inconsistencies into the final product. Another challenge is communication. Large factories often have multiple teams working on different aspects of production. Miscommunication or lack of clear instructions between these teams can result in misunderstandings and errors. Addressing these challenges requires proactive measures. Clear communication with your supplier, regular factory visits, and independent inspections are all key to maintaining quality in large-scale manufacturing. It's important to remember that not all Chinese manufacturers operate at the same level. While many factories adhere to international standards, some may have different interpretations or practices. This variation in operational standards can impact the quality of your products. Communication can also present unique challenges. Language barriers and cultural differences can sometimes lead to misunderstandings or misinterpretations of your requirements. It's essential to establish clear communication channels and ensure your expectations are understood. Building strong relationships with your suppliers is crucial. Regular communication, factory visits, and a collaborative approach can help bridge cultural gaps and ensure everyone is on the same page. Remember, effective communication is a two-way street. Be patient, ask clarifying questions, and make sure you understand the factory's capabilities and limitations. Quality control is not just about the product itself, it's about protecting your brand integrity. In today's competitive market, consumers have high expectations. Delivering products that meet these expectations is crucial for building trust and loyalty. When customers receive a high-quality product, it reflects positively on your brand. They associate your brand with reliability, value, and trustworthiness. This positive experience encourages repeat purchases and builds brand advocacy. Conversely, quality issues can have a devastating impact on your brand reputation. Negative reviews, social media complaints, and product recalls can erode consumer trust and damage your brand image. By prioritizing quality control, you safeguard your brand reputation and build a loyal customer base. Remember, a strong brand is built on a foundation of trust and quality. Ensuring consistent quality from Chinese manufacturers requires a strategic approach. Here are some proven methods to implement. Define product specifications clearly. Avoid ambiguity. Provide detailed specifications to your supplier, including materials, dimensions, tolerances, and finishing requirements. Use clear language and visuals, like technical drawings, to minimize the risk of misunderstanding. Conduct sample testing before full production. Never skip this step. Order pre-production samples and thoroughly test them before approving full-scale manufacturing. This allows you to identify and address any quality issues early on, saving you time and money in the long run. Leverage third-party inspections. Consider using independent inspection companies to assess your products at various stages of production. These inspections provide an unbiased evaluation of quality and compliance with your specifications. Establish quality control checklists. Develop comprehensive checklists that outline specific quality criteria to be checked at each production stage. This ensures consistency and allows you to track quality performance over time. Build strong supplier relationships. Communication is key. Maintain open and regular communication with your suppliers. Visit their factories, build personal relationships, and foster a collaborative approach to quality control. By implementing these proactive measures, you can significantly reduce the risk of quality issues and ensure your products meet your standards. Navigating the complexities of quality control in China can be daunting, but understanding common challenges and their solutions can make the process smoother. Challenge 1. Language barriers and cultural differences. Use clear and simple language in all communication. Consider hiring a local translator or agent to facilitate communication and bridge cultural gaps. Challenge 2. Lack of transparency in production processes. Request detailed information about the factory's production processes, quality control procedures, and material sourcing practices. Conduct regular factory audits to verify their claims. Challenge 3. Difficulty in enforcing corrective actions. Establish a clear quality agreement with your supplier that outlines expectations, responsibilities, and consequences for non-compliance. Regularly monitor progress and provide constructive feedback. Challenge 4. Finding reliable and trustworthy suppliers. Conduct thorough due diligence on potential suppliers. Check their certifications, references, and online reviews. Consider working with established sourcing agents who have a proven track record. Challenge 5. Managing costs associated with quality control. While quality control requires investment, it's more cost-effective than dealing with defective products and customer complaints. Negotiate competitive pricing with inspection companies and explore cost-sharing arrangements with your supplier. Remember, proactive communication, a collaborative approach, and a commitment to quality are essential for successful sourcing from China. Q1. Is it necessary to visit the factory in person? While not always mandatory, factory visits are highly recommended. They provide valuable insights into the factory's operations, capabilities, and quality control practices. Q2. What are the typical costs associated with third-party inspections? Inspection costs vary depending on the product complexity, inspection scope, and location. It's best to request quotes from multiple inspection companies to compare pricing. Q3. How can I protect my intellectual property when working with Chinese manufacturers? It's crucial to have a strong intellectual property protection strategy in place. Consult with an intellectual property lawyer to draft comprehensive contracts and agreements. Q4. What should I do if I receive defective products despite implementing quality control measures? Immediately contact your supplier and provide detailed documentation of the defects. Work with them to identify the root cause and agree on a corrective action plan. If the issue persists, consider escalating the matter or seeking legal counsel. By understanding the nuances of quality control in China and implementing these practical strategies, you can navigate the manufacturing landscape with confidence and ensure your products meet your high standards.